as a human being na nakatira sa empty Spain. We live in the province of Teruel, located in the northeast of Spain and considered one of the least populated areas in Europe. The altitude here is higher compared to many major cities in Spain, around 1,000 meters above sea level. At yes, summer na nga dito sa European Union at sobrang madjenet. Pero as a Filipina na galing sa tropical country ng Asia, carry lang. At dito sa province namin sa Teruel, mataas siya kaya di gaano ka-jenet compare sa mga lower regions like Valencia, Zaragoza, Murcia at iba pang lugar. We are located in Iberian Peninsula, so sa bukid yung location namin kaya di siya gaano ka-jenet. And this beautiful historic neighborhood is called Escalante del Ovalo. Tourist attraction siya dito sa Teruel. So that's for today. Hasta luego!